Let me tell you exactly who this page is for. This page is for women over 30 who have spent years taking care of everyone else and now is quietly worrying about money, retirement, or not having an income of their own. Ever felt embarrassed for not understanding online income or thought I should have figured out this by now? I want you to hear this clearly. You are not lazy. You are not stupid. You were simply never taught another way. Here we talk about calm, realistic ways to earn online without the pressure, without the hype, and without pretending that it's easy. If you want to learn slowly, safely, and with dignity, you are exactly where you belong. Follow along if you want calm guidance and no noise.